Ever wondered how ethical hackers safeguard our digital world? Ethical hacking, a unique frontier in cybersecurity, involves the purposeful identification of vulnerabilities in a system. These cyber guardians use a variety of tools to expose potential weaknesses, strengthening security measures in the process. It's akin to providing a vaccine to prevent a disease, equipping systems with the necessary defenses to ward off potential threats. Two such powerful tools in an ethical hacker's toolkit are Shodan and Censys. A Shodan, often known as the search engine for hackers, is much more than that. It's a pivotal tool in the world of cybersecurity, a search engine that scours the internet in ways conventional search engines like Google or Bing don't. Unlike these search engines that index web pages, Shodan indexes devices. It maps the internet, scanning for devices connected to it, including but not limited to servers, routers, and even webcams. Now you may be asking, how does Shodan work? In simple terms, Shodan sends out pings to every IP address on the internet and records what comes back. It's like a digital explorer, mapping out the vast landscape of the internet, one device at a time. It collects data on what operating system a device is running, what services it offers, details about its security configurations, and more. In the right hands, this data can be a goldmine. For cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers, Shodan serves as a valuable tool for identifying vulnerabilities in systems and networks, making it possible to fortify them before they're exploited. It can be used to track down malicious servers, identify insecure networks, and even find devices that may have been compromised. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Shodan is a tool that must be used ethically and responsibly, keeping in mind the privacy and security of others. It's not a tool for mischief, but a means to ensure a safer internet for all. With the right knowledge, Shodan can be a powerful tool for ethical hacking. Now, how does one use Shodan for ethical hacking? Let's dive in. First things first, you need an account. Head over to Shodan's website and sign up. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, including your email address, and once you're done, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link to verify, and voila, you're all set. Now let's talk about using the search function. Shodan, often referred to as the hacker's Google, is a search engine, but not for web content. Instead, it searches for devices connected to the internet. This includes everything from servers and routers to refrigerators and thermostats. The power of Shodan lies in its ability to find these devices and provide detailed information about them. To use the search function, simply type in what you're looking for. This could be a specific device type, an operating system, or even a geographical location. You can also use filters to narrow down your search. For example, you could search for Windows XP and filter by country USA to find all Windows XP devices in the United States. Once you've entered your search, Shodan will return a list of results. Each result will include information such as the device's IP address, its operating system, its location, and more. This information can be incredibly valuable to ethical hackers. Now you might be wondering, how can this information be used ethically? The answer is simple. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use this information to identify vulnerabilities in systems and fix them before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. For example, if Shodan reveals that a company's server is running an outdated operating system, an ethical hacker could notify the company and help them update their system, thereby preventing a potential cyber attack. Shodan, when used responsibly, can help make the digital world a safer place. By identifying and fixing vulnerabilities, ethical hackers can help protect our data, our devices, and our digital lives. So, whether you're a seasoned cybersecurity professional or just a tech enthusiast looking to learn more, Shodan is a powerful tool in the fight against cyber threats. Next in line is Censys, another powerful tool for ethical hackers. Imagine it as a vast digital ocean explorer, scanning the internet's depths to gather and analyze data. Much like its counterpart, Shodan, Censys sweeps the internet but with its own unique flair. It uncovers the unseen, bringing to light the intricate web of devices, networks, and infrastructures that make up our digital world. Each scan, each analysis, is a step towards understanding this complex ecosystem. Just like Shodan, Censys too can be harnessed for ethical hacking. But how exactly can we use Censys for ethical hacking, you may ask? Well, let's dive right in. First things first, to use Censys, you'll need to create an account. It's a straightforward process. Simply head over to their website and follow the instructions provided. Remember that the purpose of this account is for ethical hacking, so always adhere to the guidelines and terms of use. Once you have an account, you're ready to explore the sea of data that Censys has to offer. The heart of Censys lies in its search function. Here, you can input a variety of queries to find specific information. You may want to search for a particular IP address, an organization, or even a specific type of device. By using the search function, you can tap into Censys's vast database of internet hosts and digital assets. Now, the real magic happens when you interpret the results. Censys provides detailed information about each search result, including open ports, protocols in use, and potential vulnerabilities. This information is invaluable for ethical hackers. It's like having a digital map, pointing out the weak spots in an organization's cybersecurity. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The information that Censys provides should be used ethically. What does that mean? It means using this data to identify and fix vulnerabilities, not to exploit them. It's about making the digital world safer, not causing harm or disruption. For instance, if you identify a vulnerability in an organization's system, the ethical step is to report it to them. Point out the issue, provide evidence, and suggest ways they could fix it. This not only helps the organization strengthen its cybersecurity, but also builds trust and fosters a culture of shared responsibility for digital safety. In summary, Censys is a powerful tool for ethical hacking. By creating an account, using the search function, and interpreting the results, you can identify potential vulnerabilities and help make the digital world a safer place. Censys and Shodan both are powerful tools that can help ethical hackers make the digital world more secure. Remember, ethical hacking is not about exploiting weaknesses, but about finding and fixing them. So, what did we learn today? We've unraveled the significance of ethical hacking and safeguarding our digital space. We've also delved into how Shodan and Censys, these powerful search engines, can be harnessed for ethical hacking. Shodan, with its ability to find specific types of computers, and Censys, with its knack for tracking the configurations of devices and networks, are indispensable tools for ethical hackers. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools responsibly to create a safer digital world.